As a project owner, you'll be responsible for creating the project and inviting the general contractor. So right now we're on the dashboard. This is the first thing we'll see when we log into the system. Let's take a look at the projects page here and click on New Project to create our first project. You'll be asked to set some project options here and then provide some general information about the project. Most of the information you provide here will be visible to other stakeholders on the project. We're going to start with this window already all filled out, and we'll just kind of go through and look at some of these options here. As always, any field marked with a star is required. Under project options, you have a toggle about whether draw amounts are visible to stakeholders. If you set this to yes, then subcontractors will see the amount of draws that are posted to the prime contractor. If you set this to no, subcontractors will not see the amounts, but they will still see the date that the draw was posted to the prime contractor and the date that the prime contractor received it. The require subcontractor payment confirmation determines whether subcontractors will be asked to digitally sign for the date and the amount of payments that they received for the prime contractor. Project milestones is just some quick dates about when the project started and when it is intended to be completed. Project info includes things like project name. Under property owner info, if you're the property owner, this will automatically fill in all of your information. If you're not, you can just set this to no here and then enter the information about the property owner. And then under insurance requirements, you'll enter your insurance requirements on the project. When any other stakeholder uploads a certificate of insurance, the amounts that they provide then are automatically checked against your requirements. So you want to make sure that this is accurate. Then click Create to create the project. After you create your project, it will be listed on the projects page. So here's our project. Let's open it up. The first thing you'll be taken to when you take a closer look at the project is the overview page. This provides some general information, including project financials, draws, conditional waivers. All of these totals will be updated as these documents are uploaded by other stakeholders. Project milestones, these will be updated as you provide this information. Other stakeholders on the project have very similar views of this. There are additional tabs here on the project. We'll take a look at those in later videos. For now, you'll note that there's no lender associated with this project. There's also no general contractor. So let's go to I want to invite a contractor. And here you'll be asked to provide information about the contractor you want to invite. If they already exist in the system because they've used it before, you can just start entering information about them and they'll show up in the search results and then you can invite them. If they're brand new to the project, you just enter in these 4 fields and click Invite New User. For this project, we'll invite a new user. So I've entered some information about them. I'll click Invite New User. And now the invitation sent. The general contractor will receive that invitation in their email. Then they'll need to create their account and register for the system. Once that's done, they'll show up on the Contractors tab.